to the heights of thinking to become bigger. So that is why the next microphone goes to Ms. Tal Sampli. So ma'am, please take away the show. It's yours.
Thank you, sir.
So ma'am, please take away the show. It's yours.
Thank you, sir, for the opportunity. Good morning, everyone, even if it is night, but for Vestigian like us, it's still morning. I'll be proceeding with the company profile. Company profile यानी कि ये company के बारे में कुछ जानकारियाँ. Right. I will be speaking in Hindi and English both, and because some people are there who don't understand English and some people are there who don't understand Hindi. So I will be taking up this session in both the languages. Here we can see why do we need to why do we need to know about the company that we are associated with, right? It's very much important to know with which company you are here, and that's why today I'm here in front of you to show you, to let you know regarding the company. So Vestige Marketing Private Limited, it started its operation in the year 2004. 2004 की 2nd June में Vestige की जन्म हुई है, and it is a leading direct selling company dealing in world-class wellness product right now in India. And yes, Vestige is constantly growing at a phenomenal rate every year. हर साल एकदम निरंतर तेजी से grow कर रही है each and every year since 2004. The growth rate in itself speaks about the quality of the product, the marketing plan and the management that has been able to deliver such a rewardable and sustainable system to the distributor. जो Vestige की growth है, इनकी main कारण है जो इनकी products की quality, जो marketing plan है और जो management जिसके बारे में सर नुआई ने बताया है, सर गौतम बाली, सर दीपक सूद and सर कन्वरवीर सिंह, जिसकी जो सोच ने आज Vestige को बहुत आगे तक लेके गया. Vestige believes in empowering its member with the opportunity to lead their lives on their own terms. आज Vestige इसी बातों में बिलीव करता है, इसी बातों में विश्वास करता है कि ताकि जो लोग Vestige से जुड़े उनके जिंदगी को एक मौका दे, उनकी जिंदगी में एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दे, ताकि हम सब अपनी जिंदगी को अपने मुताबिक अपने ओन टर्म्स में जी सकें, राइट? एंड राइट नाउ Vestige जब शुरुआत की है, Vestige की it started with just 6 distributor, only 6 people it started. And right now we are in 2020, जो 6 लोगों से स्टार्ट हुआ है, अभी लगभग 2 करोड़ लोग, 2 करोड़ distributors are already associated with Vestige in India. We have 3,000 plus online and offline centers all over the India, more than 300 plus products in our portfolio, and international presence. शुरुआत हुई है इंडिया में, दिल्ली, न्यू दिल्ली जैसी जगह में, लेकिन आज इंडिया में शुरुआत होके भी आज हम internationally besides India we are in 8 other countries such as Bahrain, Bangladesh, Oman, Saudi Arabia, Thailand, UAE, so many other countries. Here it's given Bangladesh, Bahrain, Oman, etc. So yes, we are right now in 8 countries other than India. Sir, can you please? Okay. So this is the vision. The company's vision is, vision मतलब यानी कि लक्ष्य, right? The reason why this company has been started. Its vision is to help people live a life of economic independence on their own terms. जिस कारण से ये आज Vestige कंपनी शुरुआत हुई है, इसके एक ही कारण है ताकि इंडिया के लोगों को, ताकि जो भी लोग Vestige से जुड़े उनकी जिंदगी में आर्थिक आजादी यानी कि इकोनॉमिक इंडिपेंडेंस दे सके, ताकि वो अपनी जिंदगी अपने मुताबिक जी सके. एंड नॉट ओनली इकोनॉमिक इंडिपेंडेंस, साथ ही साथ टाइम भी चाहिए, तो टाइम की इंडिपेंडेंस भी देने के लिए आज Vestige अपनी जर्नी को शुरुआत किया. मिशन इज टू ग्रो टू अ ग्लोबल स्केल एंड बिकम द बेंचमार्क इन डायरेक्ट सेलिंग. हमारा मिशन है एक ग्लोबल स्केल में इतना तेजी आगे बढ़े कि हम एक डायरेक्ट सेलिंग इंडस्ट्री में एक बेंचमार्क तय कर सके, so that we can set a benchmark यानी कि एक एक रिकॉर्ड सेट कर सके जो किसी भी कंपनी के लिए जिस रिकॉर्ड को ब्रेक करने में बहुत तकलीफ हो जाए. So yes, Vestige advantage. Let's talk about the Vestige advantage. First advantage is low financial risk. I would say zero financial risk, क्योंकि Vestige में join करने के लिए हमें कुछ पैसे की जरूरत नहीं है. Everybody join with free on free joining, right? And yes, it is zero financial risk, a well crafted marketing plan. जो marketing plan तैयार किया है Vestige की management ने, it is totally a well crafted plan which is engineered to make us wealthy. World class products, we deal with world class product of course, because right now we are not only in India but 8 other countries, right? We have the income stability, high returns. जो income की stability है वो है Vestige से, and high returns, it gives us high returns. अगर हम जो performance bonus को अगर plus करके देखें, you know, all the 9 types of income, then we will get 80%. मतलब out of 100, 80% return the company is giving us. So yes, of course, high return, reliable and profitable. आप अपनी career इस company में rely कर सकते हैं. Definitely it is profitable. Great incentive बहुत बड़ी तरीके से बढ़िया इंसेंटिव देते हैं. इंसेंटिव एज इन लाइक 2 करोड़ क्लब, 1% पूल, ये सारे कंपनी की इंसेंटिव्स है. इंसेंटिव यानी कि मार्केटिंग प्लान में जो इनकम है उससे भी बढ़कर जो इंसेंटिव है, दैट वन. These are the awards and recognition that we have got over the years, over the past 16 years, like Health Food and Dietary Supplement Association, Good Manufacturing Practices Certification, Global 100 Award, Most Admired Brands Asia, Brands and Leaders Asia, ये सारे हमारे certifications है. Sir, next slide. The recipient of Global 100 Awards, like I just said, Global 100 Awards yani ki there are so many crores and lakhs of companies all over the world, crores and lakhs of companies, direct selling companies all over the world, out of which top 100 companies are rewarded an award which is known as Global 100 Award each and every year based on their turnover. And Vestige has secured its rank for the past 4 years and received this Global 100 Award. In 2017, we were 97 in position. In 2018, we were 92. 2019, we are 63rd, and right now we are 30 in the world. We also got this award of Best Nutraceutical Company Award in the year 2017 and 18 by AVP News. We also got the IBC Corporate Awards in the year 2017. And which gave us India's Best Company of the Year award. North India Best Employer Brand Award 2018. We are also awarded with this prestigious award in the year 2018. And these are Global HR Excellent Awards in 2019 for Best Workplace Practices, certified as a great place to work in 2020-21. And yes, also in the 2019-20 for the past 2 consecutive years. We are ISO certified company. ISO means International Standards Organization. जो हमारी products है, it is all ISO certified. These are the Vestige ambassadors who have laid, you know, towards who is guiding us towards the pillar of success. जो ये उन लोगों में से है जिसने हमारे जैसे जो साधारण लोगों ने आज बहुत असाधारण सक्सेस हासिल की है. And yes, the training support. What is most important in Vestige is, what is the best thing in Vestige is we provide various training support such as cellular nourishment therapy, जो अभी हम अभी कर रहे हैं. That is also free of cost by the company. Be Gorgeous Day for the ladies. Vestige Healthcare Training, Vestige Initiation Program, VIP, Meet the Millionaire Program, Vestige Leadership Conclave जो Directors and above को किया जाता है, Dale Carnegie Training, and so many other training supports. These are the business tools such as Car Book, Leading Ladies Book, Wealth on Wheels Book, Voice Magazine, Business Startup Kit. क्योंकि कोई business को ठीक से करने के लिए हमें tools चाहिए, and that is why Vestige provides us business tools in order to, you know, create a belief system into the company. These are the recognition that we celebrate Vestige Award function each and every year. Champions Day on 2nd of every year. जैसे कि हमने बहुत सारे award function TV में देखा है. In the same way, Vestige also celebrate Vestige Award function each and every year. So, thank you so much, guys. That's it for tonight. See you soon. Over to you, Sir Noai.
Thank you so much, Tal Sampli ma'am. Thank you very much. So the next thing that we're going to talk about is product profile, of course, right? So before we go to the product profile, I would like to share some of the new launches of the products. So let's just go to the slide that we have like C Buckthorn. So these are the products जो आज हम इसके बारे में बात करेंगे, right? We will be talking about these products tonight. So these are the prime products, and as well as we have Metamind, which was launched on 14th May 2020, right? जो lockdown के अंदर we launched it, isn't it? So it's so cool, right? So now the entire thing is shut down, and we are inaugurating such kind of great products, and you can actually see the product launching video that was done on YouTube with the official page with doctors from all over the globe, right? इसको देख सकते हैं आप. And we have MedDrive Nano Energizer, we have Ensure Night Cream, Gel Cream, Vestige Mask that we have come up with, right? So there are certain products that we are going to talk about tonight. So लेकिन उससे भी पहले हम आज product profile के बारे में बात करते हैं. Now let's talk about what is the state of the art equipment and streamlined processes. So इसके बारे में आज थोड़ा let's shed some light about it. Now देखो आप state of the art equipment and streamlined processes comply with the highest global quality standard. मतलब क्या हो सकता है? What is this? इसका मतलब हमारे यहाँ whatever the products, whatever the industry that we have here, the factory, the manufacturing plant, whatever you are seeing in this picture, these are all streamlined process, state of the art. State of the art बोले तो it's top notch quality, and you can means the way you see in Hollywood movies में जो दिखाई देते हैं, that is exaggerated. Anything that is shown in Hollywood movies, that is exaggerated, but उसके थोड़ा reality में अगर आए और जो top notch होते हैं ना, you can see that in Vestige, state of the art equipment with streamlined process with the highest quality standards. मतलब if you are consuming a food supplement, when you open the food supplement, when it comes to your hand, that is the first human touch the supplement has ever done. So this is that quality standard. And in-house R&D lab development, मतलब खुद का हमारा खुद का research and development team है. Like if you see, let's give another reference of any movie again, any films in cinema. We see that जब science fiction movie देखते हैं, we see there are certain scientists वगैरह है, we see so many things, right? हम वहाँ देखते हैं ना, the people research things, कोई robot का movie हो गया, कोई सभी space का movie हो गया, we see. Same type, even in Vestige, Mr. Bali has appointed these kinds of people, that is our own research and development lab, who are always, just say we, as networkers, we wake up every morning, we become motivated, we talk to our uplines, we work with our downlines, we work, and we achieve our dreams. In the same way, we have our own research and development team, जो हमारी ही तरह सुबह उठते हैं, खाना खाते हैं, healthy चीज खाते हैं और सोचते हैं, and they think what innovative can be done. हर महीना हम कैसे नए नए प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च कर सकते हैं, कैसे इन चीजों को एडवांस में ले जा सकते हैं, इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं. Now these are the people who think about all these things now. ऐसे ही लोग हमारे कंपनी में भी शामिल हैं. We have our own research and development team, my dear friends, and we have a quality control department to maintain international level quality standards. Manufacturing facility, good manufacturing practices, that is GMP certified. यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं ISO certified, that you can check in the previous slide as well. If you want the CNT file, no issues. We will send it to the group tonight. You can check it. You can learn it for yourself, right? So, halal certified and adherence to FDA standards. मतलब halal certification. You know what is halal certification? Halal determines purity. Halal means purity, and in so many countries that there are in so many countries. This halal certification is compulsory now, because it is very important for our Muslim brothers and sisters to consume products which are halal certified. So we have made it equal for everyone, because halal certification is very important, since it determines purity. So these products that you are getting here, it's total purity, right? So moving on. Tonight we are going to touch so many products. उससे पहले मैं product overview दे देता हूँ. We are talking about healthcare. There are so many sub levels here. Personal care में 4 levels हैं. Oral care है, health food है. We are talking about agri products, audiobooks. Audiobooks we are not going to talk about, because audiobooks is basically the learning material that we already have. Ayurvedic, that is Ayoshanti. Men's grooming. Premium skin care, skin formula 9. Color cosmetics, home care. air purifier, women hygiene, water purifier, Vestige Essentials, and McDrive as well. Right. So these are few pictures here. So without further ado, we're going to talk about Vestige Prime now. So Vestige Prime को बोलने के लिए मैं बुलाना चाहूँगा one of the most dynamic leader of our time, and he is my personal favorite as well क्योंकि वो बहुत अच्छा storyteller भी हैं. So let's call Mr. Jeblin Debarma to speak about Vestige Prime tonight and enlighten us about the beauty of this product. So sir, the mic is on you. Please take away the stage.
Hello sir, good morning. Hi sir, good morning. Thank you so much sir, मुझे बुलाने के लिए और thank you so much everyone ज्वाइन करने के लिए. और आज मैं बताने जाऊंगा वेस्टिज प्राइम के बारे में. यस, आप लोग मेरा आवाज सुन सकते हो तो रेस्पॉन्स कर सकते हो चैट बॉक्स में.
Yes sir. Yes sir, I can hear you sir.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच सर. हाँ, ये बताने से पहले मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहा हूँ. मेरा नाम जेबलिन डेबरमा और सर मैं भी बोल कह चुके हैं आप लोगों को. और मैं ट्रिफरा से हूँ. करेंटली अभी मैं इसका डायरेक्टर हूँ और 3 साल पहले इस प्लेटफॉर्म में ज्वाइन किया था वेस्टिज मार्केटिंग प्राइवेट लिमिटेड में. और मैं प्रोडक्ट नॉलेज शेयर करने से पहले एक बात बोलना चाहता हूँ आप लोगों को. देखो कि एक स्टोरी बोलना चाहता हूँ कि नॉय सर ने भी बोला है कि मैं स्टोरी इतना ज्यादा तो अच्छे से बोल नहीं सकता, फिर भी आप लोगों को बोलने की ट्राई करूंगा. देखो, पहले हम लोग जो कॉलेज, सब लोगों ने कॉलेज गया, स्कूल गए, सब लोगों ने स्कूल तो गया होगा शायद. हम लोग जब स्कूल में जाते थे तो एक टीचर आते थे हम लोग को सिखाने के लिए, राइट. तो एक टीचर आते थे हम लोगों को सिखाने के लिए. तो एक क्लासरूम में 20 to 30 लोग तो होता है. यस, एक क्लास में 20 to 30 लोग तो होते हैं. एक टीचर आके हम लोग को सिखाता है कि सेम बुक, सेम सिलेबस, सेम क्लासरूम में, सेम स्कूल में, और सबको सेम तरीके से सिखाता है. लेकिन वो 20 to 30 लोग, सब लोग पास हो पाते हैं क्या? सब लोग पास होता नहीं. क्यों? क्योंकि देखो, कौन सिखा रहा है आपको वो मैटर ज्यादा नहीं करता. यस माय डियर फ्रेंड, कौन सिखा रहा है वो मैटर ज्यादा नहीं करता, लेकिन कौन सीख रहा है वो मैटर करता है. तो मैं चाहता हूँ, मैं इतना बड़ा आदमी नहीं, मैं इतना सक्सेसफुल भी नहीं, और मैं इतना महान आदमी नहीं कि आपके 2 मिनट में लाइफ चेंज करूँ. लेकिन हाँ, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूंगा और एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूंगा आप लोगों के साथ. तो हाँ, मैं बताने जा रहा हूँ आप लोगों के साथ क्रीलोल. यस, क्रीलोल क्या है? क्रीलोल एक अटलांटिक ओशियन में पाया जाता है. कि क्रीलोल एक अटलांटिक ओशियन में पाया जाता है. क्रीलोल इज रिच source of phospholipid and phospholipid bound omega fatty acid. क्रीलोल आपके हृदय की और हार्ट की प्रॉब्लम से प्रिवेंट करता है. जब आप लोगों ने सुना होगा इंडिया में बहुत सारा लोग हार्ट अटैक से मरता है, जैसे कि सर नॉय का फादर भी हार्ट अटैक में डेथ हुआ था. तो मैं चाहता हूँ आप हार्ट अटैक के लिए और हार्ट ब्लड प्रेशर का पेशेंट है उन लोगों के लिए आप क्रीलोल रिकमेंड कर सकते हो. क्योंकि क्रीलोल also contain a powerful natural antioxidant. हाँ सर, थोड़ा जूम. सर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में. हाँ, क्रीलोल contain क्रीलोल. सर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में. हाँ, मैं क्रीलोल के बेनिफिट के बारे में आप लोगों को सिर्फ शॉर्ट एंड सिंपल में बताने जाऊंगा कि आप लोगों के लिए क्रीलोल इज फोस्फोलिपिड एंड ओमेगा 3. इट्स सपोर्ट. सॉरी सर. हाँ, क्रीलोल के लिए आप लोगों को हेलो.
Yes sir, आप थोड़ा बार म्यूट हो जा रहे हैं. Is it
Yes,
fine
sir.
now?
यस सर, आप सुन सकते हो अभी?
Yes.
ओके. तो क्रीलोल आप लोग हार्ट के पेशेंट को रिकमेंड कर सकते हो. और सब लोग को आपको पता है कि प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर. तो क्रीलोल के बारे में इतना ही कहना चाहूंगा. तो सर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में आप जा सकते हैं. Yes, Combiotic. Combiotic is a unique product. Combiotic में विटामिन, मिनरल और प्रीबायोटिक और प्रोबायोटिक पाया जाता है। मतलब ये एक कैप्सूल है कि अंदर से और बाहर से 2 कैप्सूल होता है। कैप्सूल के अंदर और एक कैप्सूल होता है। इस कॉम्बायोटिक में मल्टीविटामिन में कह सकते हैं हम इस कॉम्बायोटिक को। मतलब न्यूट्रिशन है, माइक्रो न्यूट्रिशन और विटामिन मिनरल पाया जाता है। मतलब न्यूट्रिशन में माइक्रो न्यूट्रिशन और मैक्रो न्यूट्रिशन पाया जाता है इस कॉम्बायोटिक में। माइक्रो न्यूट्रिशन में क्या होता है, विटामिन और मिनरल होता है, और मैक्रो न्यूट्रिशन में कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन और फैट्स होता है। हेल्थ बेनिफिट क्या करता है, सपोर्टिंग डाइजेशन, इम्प्रूविंग वाइटलिटी और एनहेंसिंग द इम्यून सिस्टम। आपकी इम्यून सिस्टम भी बढ़ाता है ये। जैसे कि आप लोगों ने स्पाइरुलिना और सिवाक्टोन के बारे में सुना होगा कि ये सीजनल इन्फेक्शन और कोल्ड फ्लो इसको भी प्रिवेंट करता है। आप लोगों को पता है कि कोरोना वायरस का सीजन चल रहा है, तो इसके प्रिवेंट होने के लिए आप लोग ये कॉम्बायोटिक मल्टीविटामिन मतलब कॉम्बायोटिक ले सकते हो। जैसे कि 1 कैप्सूल पर डे ले सकते हो आफ्टर मील। तो सर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में ये स्टीबाक्टोन एक प्रोडक्ट है जो स्पाइरुलिना का बाप है। मतलब स्पाइरुलिना से और भी ज्यादा है। अर्लियर ह्यूमन लाइफ स्पैन कितना होता था, 100 to 120 होता था। अर्लियर ह्यूमन लाइफ स्पैन कितना होता था, 100 to 120 होता था। लेकिन अभी क्या हुआ, घट गया, मतलब 60 to 70 ईयर हो जाता। लेकिन सोच के देखो, आपके पास गाड़ी है, बंगला है, फॉरेन ट्रिप है, लेकिन आप जी नहीं सकते। मतलब आप बीमार हो रहे, तो आप इंजॉय कर पाओगे, नहीं कर पाओगे, मुझे पता है। इसीलिए स्टीबाक्टोन ऐसा चीज है कि आपको लंबी उम्र के लिए हेल्प करेगा। जैसे कि एंटी कैंसर, एंटी डिजीज और स्टंट से 12 गुना ज्यादा विटामिन सी है। यहाँ पर ओमेगा 3, ओमेगा 6 और ओमेगा 7 और 9 फैटी एसिड है। इस आप लोग स्टीबाक्टोन अपने टीम लोगों को रिकमेंड कर सकते हो इम्यूनिटी बूस्ट के लिए। जैसे कि हम लोग मीटिंग करते हैं, ट्रैवलिंग करते हैं, तो हम लोग वीक होता है, इसलिए इम्यूनिटी बूस्ट करने के लिए आप स्टीबाक्टोन रिकमेंड कर सकते हो। और इसका एमआरपी है 1000, यस एमआरपी 1000 है, और डीबी प्राइस 850 और पीबी आपको मिल जाएगा 28.33। तो जैसे मेटामाइन के बारे में मैं आप लोगों को देखो। मेटामाइन क्या है कि हम लोग बॉडी के लिए क्या करते हैं, बॉडी वॉश यूज करते हैं, बहुत सारा प्रोडक्ट यूज करते हैं। स्किन हाँ, ब्रेन के लिए हम लोग कुछ नहीं करते। जैसे कि हम लोग ने देखा होगा टीवी में कि ब्रेन के लिए बॉर्नवीटा पीते हैं, लेकिन अभी बॉर्नवीटा दिखाई नहीं दे रहा। तो देखो, मेटामाइन एक ऐसा चीज है कि आपका ब्रेन को सर्व करता है, ब्रेन को सर्कुलेट करता है। द एवरेज ह्यूमन अटेंशन टाइम पहले क्या होता था, 2000 में 12 सेकेंड होता, 12 सेकेंड होता था ह्यूमन का अटेंशन टाइम, 12 सेकेंड होता था। लेकिन 2013 में रिसर्चर ने देखा है कि 8 सेकेंड हो चुका है। और मेटामाइन आपको हेल्प करेगा फास्ट, एग्रेसिव और कॉग्निटिव ब्रेन, मतलब कॉग्निटिव करने के लिए। जैसे कि हम लोग बिजनेस बनाना चाहता है लेकिन ब्रेन काम नहीं करता है, पीवी बढ़ाना चाहता है, ब्रेन काम नहीं करता, टीम स्ट्रॉन्ग करना चाहता है लेकिन ब्रेन ज्यादा काम नहीं करता। तो आप स्ट्रेस ब्रेन को शार्पनेस करना चाहते हो तो आप मेटामाइन ले सकते हो। और अपने टीम को भी रिकमेंड कर सकते हो। तो ये मेमोरी शार्पनेस के लिए, मेमोरी और शार्पनेस के लिए आपको हेल्प करेगा। ये एक प्रोडक्ट है जो ओनली फॉर स्मार्टर एंड शार्पर फैमिली के लिए। आप स्मार्ट होना चाहते हो और अपने ब्रेन को टेस्ट करना चाहते हो तो आप मेटामाइन जरूर यूज कर सकते हो। उसका एमआरपी है 1285 और डीपी 1100 और पीबी आपको मिल जाएगा 336.68। तो सर कोई प्रोडक्ट
So that's all.
आप लोगों को हाँ तो आप लोगों को मैंने बस शॉर्ट एंड सिंपल में बताया। तो देखो मैं इस 2-3 मिनट में आपका लाइफ को चेंज नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन आप लोग डिसीजन लो इस प्रोडक्ट को खाने के लिए, इस खाने के लिए डिसीजन लो तो आपका लाइफ चेंज कर सकते, क्योंकि स्मॉल गुड एक्शन इज बेटर देन ए ग्रेट इंटेंशन। तो स्मॉल एक्शन लो और रोज प्रोडक्ट खाओ और पीवी बढ़ाओ और सक्सेस हो जाओ। थैंक यू सो मच सर नोइट मुझे टाइम देने के लिए।
थैंक यू सो मच जेवलिन सर। इतने कम टाइम में आपने इतना बढ़िया तरीके से मुझे भी मतलब बहुत इंटरेस्ट कर दिया, बिकॉज मैं काफ़ी टाइम से मेटामाइंड भी खा रहा हूँ। यहाँ जूम तो करके नहीं दिखा सकता मेरे शेल्फ पे, लेकिन मेटामाइंड प्राइम प्रोडक्ट में से सर क्रिल ऑयल भी मैं इस्तेमाल कर चुका हूँ, मेटामाइंड भी खा चुका हूँ सर, और साथ ही साथ सी बकथॉर्न अभी मैं कंज्यूम कर रहा हूँ। तो सर मेटामाइंड तो मैंने एक बार खा लिया, मतलब पूरा डब्बा मैंने खत्म कर ही लिया ऑलरेडी, एंड मे बी उसी के कारण शायद मेरा माइंड भी बहुत शार्प काम कर रहा है दिस डेज, राइट? यू नो, सो आई एम नॉट एग्जैजरेटिंग, राइट? मतलब असर देख सकते हैं आप। अगर आप किसी चीज पे विश्वास करके कंज्यूम करना स्टार्ट कर देंगे, जैसे सर ने बोला डिसीजन लेना है यार सर, डिसीजन, यू जस्ट हैव टू टेक अ डिसीजन एंड इट विल क्रिएट अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस। So talking about immunity boost right now, isn't it? Now we have immunity boost, and this immunity boost को समझाने के लिए, आपको डिस्कस करने के लिए, we are going to call a very smart, energetic leader all the way from Arunachal Pradesh, Mr. Nani Dolyang. We present Nani Dolyang on stage. So, sir Nani, you have your time. So I will unmute you from there. I think you are already unmuted. So Nani sir, please take away the stage. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sir Noy, for giving me this opportunity. I hope my voice is very much audible to each and everyone.
Yes, sir, it is. Please continue.
Yeah. So first of all, good morning all of you, and myself, Mr. Nani Dolyang on screen, and currently I am Diamond Director here in Vestige. And first of all, I would like to welcome all of you to the special webinar called CNT, which is a product-based training actually. And today I'm supposed to talk about the immunity boosting products category. So basically, let's learn something about immunity. Immunity किसको कहा जाता है? सबसे पहला बात, immunity is an ability of an organism, you know, like to resist the antibodies or any kind of toxins or infections by the action of WBC. Like main immunity का काम क्या है आपके शरीर में? आपको बीमार होने से रोकता है immunity, right? So with this, I would like to proceed on our first product, that is Vestige Spirulina. Okay, yeah, Vestige Spirulina. So basically, yeah, कल रात से when like I was preparing this thing, and CNT में basically बहुत कुछ like tough words होता है जो normal people को समझ में नहीं आता. So I have jotted down some of the important points जो आपको product के बारे में समझने में आपको और आसानी आपको कर देगा. So like the first thing is that spirulina is basically एक algae होता है ये. This is actually an algae जो deep ocean में पाया जाता है, and scientists have researched that sea turtles लोग basically 250 to 300 years जिंदा रहता है. So मतलब उन लोगों के शरीर के अंदर ऐसा क्या चीज है जो उन लोगों को इतना लंबे समय तक जिंदा रहने को मतलब औकात देता है? So after that research, scientists have found that these turtles they consume spirulina. तो जो पत्थर पे जो एल्गे लगा हुआ होता है वो उन्हीं लोगों को कंज्यूम करके सी टर्टल्स लोगों का, टोर्टोइस लोगों का इम्यूनिटी बहुत स्ट्रांग रहता है. सो एंड नासा, नेशनल एरोनॉटिक्स स्पेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने उन लोगों को दिस स्पाइरुलिना को ऐसे फास्ट फूड और इनफैक्ट ऐसे हेल्दीएस्ट फूड ऑन अर्थ का नाम दिया गया है. सो लेट्स लर्न समथिंग अबाउट न्यूट्रिशन फैक्ट्स अबाउट स्पाइरुलिना. स्पाइरुलिना बेसिकली, स्पाइरुलिना में 6 गुना ज्यादा अंडे जो एग होता है, इट कंटेन्स 6 times more protein than an egg and 14 times more calcium than a milk. दूध से 14 गुना ज्यादा कैल्शियम तो स्पाइरुलिना में ही पाया जाता है, and in fact 4 times more potassium than banana, and spirulina also contains more keratin than a carrot. गाजर से भी ज्यादा केराटिन स्पाइरुलिना में पाया जाता है. And basically spirulina contains vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, B6, vitamin A, vitamin B12 and vitamin E. Basically तो हम ये सब विटामिन्स के बारे में ज्यादा कुछ नहीं बात करेगा. You can Google it because ज्यादा समय मेरे को लेने का मतलब परमिशन नहीं है. So yeah, let's talk about health benefits. स्पाइरुलिना हम लोगों के शरीर पे किस तरह से काम किया जाता है. So when we talk about health benefits, the first and the most important benefits that spirulina provides in our body is it boosts our energy. Energy level को हम लोगों के शरीर पे increase कर दिया जाता है, and it also helps in weight loss. controls blood pressure, boosts immunity obviously, and reduce cholesterol level in your body. जो bad cholesterol है उसको burn कर देता है, and also helps in boosting metabolism जो कि आपका digestive system को improve कर देगा, and it also helps in anemia. Anemia is basically जो खून का कमी होना शरीर में, that is called anemia, and lower chance of heart stroke. And the dosage of this spirulina is it is 1 to 3 capsules in a day, and the best time to consume spirulina is morning and evening. आप सुबह को उठने के बाद फ्रेश अप होने के बाद आप spirulina ले सकते हैं, या फिर इवनिंग को. And I recommend to avoid this product at night. सोते समय before going to bed आप ये products को नहीं ले सकते. अगर आप लेते हैं तो obviously it boosts your energy level. So that's why आपको नींद के दौरान थोड़ा तकलीफें हो सकता है. So that was all about spirulina. Now next come to the next product, that is Prestige Noni. Okay, so Noni is basically the scientific name of Noni is Morinda citrifolia, which is basically found in Southeast Asia and some parts of Africa as well. So basically Noni का हर portion, Noni plant का हर portion को basic अलग-अलग चीजों के लिए, बीमारियों के लिए use किया जाता है, and basically Noni fights with cancer cells as well. Or Noni is also known as the anti-diabetic, also known for its anti-diabetic potential, मतलब diabetes patient लोग के लिए भी काम आता है, and also boosts immune system and help in digestion also, and improves your brain health. And Noni contains a compound called zeronine, जो आपका सेल्स का पोर्स को ओपन अप कर देता है, so that whenever you consume food, वो फूड का न्यूट्रिएंट्स को एब्जॉर्ब करके आपके पोर्स के अंदर, सेल्स के पोर्स के अंदर में इजीली एब्जॉर्ब करने देता है. तो दिस इज द वर्क ऑफ Noni. बेसिकली Noni को बहुत सारा चीजों, बहुत सारे बीमारियों के लिए इसको यूज किया जाता है. बट आई हैव जॉटेड डाउन सम ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. यहाँ पे 5 या फिर 6 पॉइंट्स लिखा गया है, which will help you in recommending this product to someone else, and और आप खुद यूज करने के लिए, आपको समझने के लिए और भी आसानी हो जाएगा. And the dosage of this Noni product is 1 or 2 capsules before food to get the best results. Before food, 30 minutes before food आपको Noni consume करना पड़ेगा, and या फिर after food के बाद भी आप इसको consume कर सकता है, depends. And people, let me tell you something about this product जो लोगों को अवॉइड करना चाहिए, बिकॉज मेरे टीम से बहुत लोग ने मेरे को सवाल किया कि लाइक सर, लाइक फूड सप्लीमेंट्स तो बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट्स दे रहे हैं, बट किस किस को नहीं खाना चाहिए ये सब फूड सप्लीमेंट. सो Noni, बेसिकली Noni को पीपल, जिसको डॉक्टर्स लोग ने पोटेशियम नहीं खाने को बोला, पोटेशियम कंज्यूम नहीं करने को बोला, दोस पीपल शुड अवॉइड कंज्यूमिंग Noni. जिन लोगों को पोटेशियम कंज्यूम नहीं करना चाहिए, उन लोगों को Noni अवॉइड करना चाहिए. एंड इनफैक्ट दोस्त Noni किडनी इश्यू, किडनी पेशेंट, जो लोग किडनी पेशेंट्स हैं उन लोगों को Noni खाने से मना किया गया है. एंड प्रेगनेंसी और लैक्टेटिंग वुमेन, जो लोग प्रेग्नेंट है, प्रेग्नेंट लेडी वुमेन, या फिर जो लोग लैक्टेटिंग पीरियड में है, उन लोग Noni को नहीं खाया जा सकता है. एंड ऑल्सो ब्लड थिनिंग मेडिसिन, जो लोग ब्लड को पतला करने का जो मेडिसिन दे रहा है, उन लोग Noni को कंज्यूम नहीं किया जा सकता है. सो मूविंग ऑन टू आवर नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट, दैट इज okay, Vestige Colostrum. Vestige Colostrum is one of the best product for immunity booster, and in fact आजकल COVID-19 pandemic के समय है, and everybody is very aware regarding the immunity, right? So I would recommend Colostrum. Vestige Colostrum is one of the best in our section, जो immunity बढ़ाता है लोगों का. So basically colostrum is known as the first mother's milk, which is yellowish in color. Basically yellow color का milk को हम लोग नहीं दिया जाता है बच्चा लोगों को, because we feel it is dirty, वो गंदा हो गया, वो फील करके हम लोग को प्रोडक्ट को नहीं वो मिल्क को बच्चा लोगों को नहीं दिया जाता है. बट एक्चुअली इट कंटेन्स कोलेस्ट्रॉल, एंड कोलेस्ट्रॉल कंटेन्स high range of carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals, which fights with bacteria and viruses. Colostrum is made up of Vestige का जो colostrum है, it is made up of the first milk of a cow which comes after 6 hours after the birth of a baby cow. मतलब एक गाय का बच्चा देने के बाद में 6 घंटा के बाद में जो फर्स्ट मिल्क निकलता है, उसी को बोलता है कोलेस्ट्रम, which is basically found in cow's milk and any kind of mammals actually. So कोलेस्ट्रम का हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट helps in skin allergy, जो लोग skin allergy से प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं, helps in improving skin allergy, and also it helps in wrinkles and activates pancreas which maintains the hormones. ज़्यादातर हॉर्मोन्स कहाँ से हम लोग का रिलीज होता है? पैनक्रियाज से रिलीज होता है. ड्यू टू हॉर्मोन्स इम्बैलेंसेस क्या होता है, शरीर में बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स आने लगता है, राइट? सो इट आल्सो activates pancreas which maintains the hormones level, or in fact इसको किस तरह से खाया जाता है कोलोस्ट्रम को आप दिन पे 2 बार खा सकते हैं 2 कैप्सूल इन अ डे. So moving on to our next product, that is Vestige aloe vera, I guess. Okay, yeah, Vestige aloe vera. Everybody knows that aloe vera has been used for many kind of things. जब एक हाथ पे छोटा सा कट भी लग जाता है तब भी एंटीसेप्टिक के लिए we use aloe vera in our homes, right? aloe vera को हर कहीं में पाया जाता है and aloe vera aloe vera is basically very good product for hair, skin and health. आपके बालों, आपके त्वचा और आपके हेल्थ के लिए बहुत फायदेमंद प्रोडक्ट होता है ये because aloe vera contains vitamin E, vitamin C, folic acid, iron, calcium and magnesium. And what are the health benefits of aloe vera? Since all of you know aloe vera पे मतलब क्या-क्या चीज के लिए काम आया जाता है, it is one of the best product for antiseptic, antibacterial and any kind of bacterial diseases, right? So first of all, it prevents wrinkles. Beauty benefits. When we talk about beauty benefits, it helps in preventing wrinkles on your face, on your whatever, and it also moisturizes your skin. Due to this pollution, due to dust, हम लोग के जो skin के जो natural moisture होता है वो गायब हो जाता है, right? But aloe vera it retains it. जो moisture होता है skin को उसको retain करता है, and for acne and pimples, it is the best product, and for immune system because it contains vitamin C. So that's why it is very good for immune system. It boosts up your immune system. And next is it helps in digestive system, especially people who are suffering from gastrics and ulcers. उन लोगों के लिए Vestige aloe vera it is one of the best product because जब ulcer होता है, जब stomach infection होता है, it reduces the chances of getting more and more, like septic जो septic होता है. सिर्फ aloe vera को antiseptic के लिए माना जाता है. So जब stomach infection वगैरह होता है like ulcers, so it helps in curing those things. And the last but not the least, it helps in constipation as well. And our next product that is Vestige Amla. Yeah, Vestige Amla को in Sanskrit we call it Amrit Phal, and it has been in usage for more than 300 years ago. 3000 साल पहले से Vestige Amla का use किया जाता है because Vestige Amla it is one of the richest source of vitamin C, and it is rich in fiber and mineral, and it also contains a compound called polyphenols जो antioxidants में बहुत rich होता है that prevents damage from free radicals. तो free radicals होता है हम लोग के शरीर पे which धीरे-धीरे जो हम लोग के शरीर को immunity को खत्म करता है, those things prevent करता है, and it fights with different types of cancer cells and cardiovascular diseases. So let me talk about the health benefits of Vestige Amla. First thing, it is known as one of the richest source of antioxidant जो free radicals से fight करेगा, and it also fights with some antibacterial diseases like diarrhea and dysentery. And also Vestige Amla में ऐसा एक कुछ cooling agents होता है जो आपका पेट का जो irritation होता है like acidity, heartburn, bowel problems and indigestion का problems होते हैं उसको remove करते हैं because it has some anti cooling effects. So इसको किस तरह से खाया जाता है, the dosage. It can be consumed 1 or 2 capsules twice a day. आप दिन पे 2 बार या एक कैप्सूल या फिर 2 कैप्सूल आप दिन पे ले सकता है, सुबह या फिर शाम या फिर दिन या फिर रात को. Okay, so I guess with this I have completed, and basically इसके ऊपर तो बहुत कुछ बात करने को है but time मेरे को permission नहीं देता. So with this I would like to conclude my portion. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, Team Stairway to Dreams and all the top leaders. Thank you so much. Wish you well.
Thank you so much, Nani sir. Thank you so much. And आपने इतने 5 products हैं आपके immunity boost में, and the way you have made us understand and जो dosage के बारे में बात किया है, whom not to give, which kind of people not to give this kind of, जैसे नॉनी में आपने बोला not to give to the kidney patients, तो छोटी-छोटी details आपने कहा है, बहुत बढ़िया मुझे लगा because when you were speaking about amla as well, I just took out amla from my shelf और मैंने खा भी लिया क्योंकि I wanted to cool my stomach to make my stomach empty and make it ready for my dinner as well. So thank you so much Nani sir. So moving on to we have ProHeart. आज हमारे ProHeart के बोलने के लिए ProHeart we have 4 products, right? Flax oil, coenzyme Q10, coconut oil and L-arginine as well. इसको बोलने के लिए we will bring upon none other than our own friend Mr. Dunga Jamatia on stage. So sir, the mic is yours and please take the stage.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Good morning to everybody. Cheers to all of you. If you can see on the screen.
I'm preparing this L-arginine since before the meeting starts. I have got the packs of L-arginine that's with me. You can see on the screen. Yes, just like Sir Noy has said, actually we don't have 4 products regarding the the cardios. Actually we have 6 products. The first thing first is the Vestige premium products, that is the krill oil. We also have a flex oil. We also have L-arginine. We also have the coenzyme Q10. We also have coconut oil, and last but not the least, we also have Ayurveda Procard. Okay, I have got all the products with me right here with me: flax oil, coconut oil, krill oil, everything I have got in my desk, as you can see on the screen. Right, first thing first, before we go into details, I won't be taking much of the time. First thing first, guys, our heart, that is we call in biological terms as cardio, our heart is the only organs which stays active from the day we are born till the day we take the last breath. I don't know you people take care of your heart properly or not. Many people comes to me and say, sir, I'm totally heartbroken today. I broke up with my girlfriend. Right? That is not the heart we are talking about today. We are talking about the real heart that we really need to take care of, right? So heart is the only organ which keeps on active from the day that we are born till the day that we die. And even while we are sleeping, our heart still pumps. Our heart still works, right? So I don't know how many of you really take care of your heart that you need to, right? तो इसी के वजह से हम आज बेसिकली krill oil के बारे में तो आज हम बात नहीं करेंगे, Procard के बारे में भी आज हम बात नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन मेरे पास जो 4 प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो सर ने बोला है, L-arginine, flax oil, your coenzyme Q10 and coconut oil are the products that we'll be touching. Okay. पहला चीज मेरे पास है वो है flax oil, इसका आप लोग देख सकते हैं स्क्रीन के ऊपर. What is this flax oil? This flax oil is nothing but what do they call it? The capsules that is given us in the form, and an oil that is given to us in the form of capsules. Now, what does this capsules look like? As you can see on the screen once again, this looks totally golden in color. And the best part about this is this flax oil. It is one of the most important food supplements for those people who really want to take care of their heart. Okay, it comes from the flaxseed oil. The capsules, inside the capsules is nothing but the flaxseed oil. Okay. Now, so many of you people are very fond of rice bran oil, I believe. Like सभी लोग rice bran oil को एक बार खाने के बाद वो लोग छोड़ नहीं पाते. Like they keep on taking rice bran oil, right? So my recommendations will be to those people who like to take rice bran oil, उसको एक बार flax oil मतलब दे दो, मतलब free of cost. Just give them free of cost, because we say that we are doing the business of people. So give them a free flax oil along with the rice bran oil that they order. इन 2 प्रोडक्ट्स को कॉम्बिनेशन करके खाने के बाद क्या होगा? Their cardiovascular health will remain fit. Alright, so make this note that flax oil and rice bran oil दोनों एक साथ देने के बाद उन लोगों का cardiovascular health का बहुत benefits मिल सकता है. ठीक है? Second products, as like I have shown you, this is the L-arginine that I will be consuming. It's very sweet. It's very sweet. L-arginine is known as one of the complete food of the heart. Okay, this comes in a sachet. It comes in a powder form. The only thing that you need to do is ग्लास में पानी ले लो, उसके बाद L-arginine का फुल पैकेट डाल दो अंदर, उसके बाद stir it with a spoon and go ahead. You can drink it whenever you want. Okay, there is no particular time that you need to drink and all this stuff. For those people who are यानी कि जो लोग डायबिटिक पेशेंट हैं, उन लोग इस L-arginine प्रोडक्ट्स को थोड़ा मतलब दूर रहना. Take care of these things. You don't consume this L-arginine because it's very sweet and it might increase your diabetic level. Okay. In short, I will be going because I believe in SSD form, short, simple, and duplicable. The third product that I will be talking about is coenzyme Q10. I don't have the products with me right now. It got over. Basically, coenzyme Q10, I would not like to go much, but once I would like to tell you a testimony. एक बार क्या हुआ था, जैसे कि मैं जीवी के एरिया में रहता हूँ, तो I have my brother with me who was a doctor or who is a medical student from the AGMC or Agartala's Medical College. And then one evening, what happens is I went to his place and I gave him the catalog. I want to retail some products because consistency भी लेना है, तो मतलब it was back in the year 2018. मैंने उसको जब product catalog दिया था, he started flipping the page and he started checking what are the products that we really have in Vestige. When it he came to a point that there are coenzyme Q10s, there are L-arginine and Flexol. These three products comes in the same page in our product catalog, right? तो उन्होंने क्या किया, वो मुझसे बिना पूछ के, without asking me anything, he just ordered 2 coenzyme Q10s, not 1 but 2 coenzyme Q10s from me, right? He being a medical student, okay, he ordered 2 coenzyme Q10 products from me, and then from that point of time I started taking more knowledge about these products. Why did that medical student take these products from me? So I came to know from one of the trainings attended that coenzyme Q10 is basically the most important for for the free radicals. Actually coenzyme Q10 it मतलब ये generate होता है within us, within our body. It comes naturally, but due to our diet, due to our foods that we consume, which are not really good enough for our health, for that reasons coenzyme Q10 जो generation होता है अंदर body के अंदर वो कम हो जाता है as you age. Because that's the reason. So we need to start taking all those food supplements, from the outside, right? So coenzyme Q10 is nothing but the free radicals. It will what will I say? It will protect your organs from free radicals. Okay. These are the products that I'll be taking, and the last products, that is none other than this product on your skin. Once again, that is none other than coconut oil. Coconut oil, it looks very big if you take it on hand, it looks quite big. Okay, this is the size of the coconut oil, but we all know what is the importance. Iska benefits kya hum sabko pata hai, right? I don't know about you people, but I'm a 1996 guy, so मतलब हमारा गांव में जब मैं रहता हूँ गांव में, then many of the people they use the green color coconut oil का जो डिब्बा होता है वो green color का होता है, and then we apply it almost in every parts of our body, from hair से लेकर till the till our feet तक हम इसको इस्तेमाल करते हैं, इसको अप्लाई करते हैं. बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि कोकोनट ऑयल अप्लाई करने से आपका जो बीमार होता है, जो आपका कोलन का आपका बीमार होता है, it becomes okay, and then it also provides direct energy, good for hair as well. You can see on the screen as well, and also to the brain and also to the skin. So these are the 4 products that I have gone through and I've shared with you. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इतना नहीं बोलूँगा, लेकिन remember one thing guys, food supplements जो ये सब जो सर जेबलिन ने बोल के गया है, सर नैनी ने बोल के गया है, this food supplements, the word that food supplements, the products, those are food supplements. These are no more supplementary guys. ये जो food supplement जो हम बोलते हैं, ये लोग ये food supplements और नहीं रहते. But these are no more food supplements. It has become necessity in our life. Okay, it has become necessity in today's world. No more supplementary. It has become primary. Remember thing. So now many questions may be asked like which कौन सा supplements खाना है सर? मेरे पास तो 6 products है कार्डियो के लिए. कौन सा खाऊं? प्रोकट खाऊं, क्रेल ऑयल खाऊं, फ्लैक्स ऑयल खाऊं, या फिर कोकोनट ऑयल खाऊं, या फिर coenzyme Q10? उसका जवाब मैं आपको देने के लिए मैं आपको एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ. We have 9 types of income in our Vestige, isn't it guys? 9 types of income है हमारे पास. If I ask you which one would you like to own? कौन सा वाला इनकम आपको लेना नहीं चाहिए? If I ask you this question, what will be your answer? Would you like to take all, right? Would you like to take all the 9 types of income till Elite Club bonus, starting from savings and consumptions till Elite Club bonus? Elite Club bonus के लिए DCD होना पड़ता है. So just like that, we all like to take all the 9 types of income. Likewise, let's start taking this food supplement seriously. Let's start taking this food supplements as no more supplementary, but as a primary. Let us take food supplements consecutively, consistently, and last but not the least, let's start taking all this food supplements very religious. Okay, because food supplements once again is no more supplementary in our life. It has become primary. So with that said, I would like to conclude my time. So over to you, sir. Thank you so much. Wish you well.
Yes, we have also glycemic health here. So,
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you can continue from that.
Yeah, sorry for that, sir. Actually, forgot there are 2 topics for me. Glycemic health is none other than we have 2 products, Vestige Neem and Vestige Stevia. Stevia is nothing but a sugar-free product, which we also have in Vestige. There are so many food, sugar-free products outside our Vestige, but as we have got one in our, in our company, why will we go outside and take all those sugar-free, all those things, right? We have Stevia, sugar-free products. I have even tasted it. without putting it anywhere in water or in tea or whatsoever. I had just taken the tablet of the Vestige Stevia and I took it in my mouth, and it's very sweet, right? But it's very sweet, but it's sugar free. So you know it, right? What sugar free means? It's really good for those people who have a high diabetic level in the body. The second product which I would like to take is the Vestige Neem. Vestige Neem, as we all know, Neem has got a history of benefits in human life. Starting from the ancient world till today, neem is considered one of the most beneficial tree or plant in human's life, right? Like starting from the neem oil, starting from the neem branches, starting from the neem tea, I mean the neem leaves, everything has got its benefits. So neem के लिए ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगा, लेकिन आप लोग जिनका डायबिटिक लेवल जो हाई लो होता है, जिन लोगों का कोलेस्ट्रॉल भी हाई लो होता है, जिन लोगों का क्या बोलते हैं, जिन लोगों का स्किन, मेरे जैसे जिन लोगों का स्किन का प्रॉब्लम होता है, आप लोग जरूर इस वेस्टीज नीम को मतलब प्लीज टेक दिस फूड सप्लीमेंट्स वेरी रिलीजियसली वंस अगेन एंड स्टार्ट टेकिंग इट कंसेक्यूटिवली. 3-4 महीना कंसेक्यूटिव ले लो, उसके बाद आपका शरीर में जो बदलाव आएंगे वो आप खुद देखने को मिलेंगे, राइट? सो ऑल दिस फूड सप्लीमेंट्स आर वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ. लाइकवाइज glycemic, we have Vestige Neem and Vestige Stevia. So these are the things that I would like. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Dung sir. Thank you very much. And आज जो आप देख सकते हैं, we have talked about the glycemic health, the heart section as well. And what I have learned today, जैसे सर ने बोला कि दिस सप्लीमेंट्स आर नॉट सप्लीमेंट एनीमोर. ये कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि इसको सेकेंडरी में डाल दे, पहले खाना खाएंगे फिर सप्लीमेंट अगर होता तो खाएंगे. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट एनीमोर. दिस सप्लीमेंट्स आर एक्चुअली बिकमिंग अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ्स, एंड द रीजन बीइंग none of us really none of us really were planning to wear a mask these days. किसी ने प्लान नहीं किया था मास्क पहनने के लिए, लेकिन हर कोई आज के दिन में मास्क पहन रहा है. Not just because there are security personnel out there standing on the road waiting for you to give you a penalty for not wearing it. It's not like that. For our own safety, for so many other reasons, people are actually wearing masks these days, and it's so good to see people are actually following the rules. I know there are some section of people that are not following, but it's fine. I can see that there are some changes coming. People are becoming more and more health conscious. And with that said, I would like to shed some light on this topic called wellness. हम यहाँ प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बात क्यों कर रहे हैं? Why are we talking about food supplements today? It's because this health industry is going to be around for a very long time. 16 years back, when Mr. Bali, जो हमारे बाली सर है, MD सर, when he came up with this idea to build a wellness industry, we never figured out what wellness industry would be. But now 2020 में we finally came to know कि wellness कितनी जरूरी है. Back then dietitian बोले तो, nutritionist बोले तो, if you talk about yoga instructor, gym instructor, ये सारे जो professions हैं, this did not existed 20 years back, 20 years back, 30 years back, maybe 40 years back. It did not exist. अगर exist भी करता था तो it was on a negligible amount, right? Now things are changing. What is wellness? There are people coming up with mindset coach, wellness coach. People are writing books. Books talking about life struggle हो गया, mindset ठीक करना. What is this? These are all related to wellness industry. Now we are so lucky to have everything together. Now there is educational system coming up to strengthen our mindset. There is products that are coming up to strengthen our health, our body. So entire जो cellular nourishment therapy है तो यही हो रखा है ना. So that is what it is very important for us to understand why these things are very important for us. So it is very essential for you guys as well to learn this, right? अगर learn करेंगे तभी तो earn करेंगे, क्योंकि हमारा तो यही, पता नहीं बाकी जगह क्या चलता है, लेकिन हमारे यहाँ तो ऐसा ही चलता है. पहले लर्न करना है फिर अर्न करना है. तो सिर्फ अभी अर्न करना तो करेंगे ही, लेकिन अभी तक खत्म तो नहीं हुआ, तो और लर्न करेंगे. तो नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट राउंड वी हैव फिटनेस एंड डाइट. तो फिटनेस एंड डाइट के लिए मैं बहुत एक स्पेशल एक पर्सन को बुलाना चाहूंगा. दैट इज नन अदर देन आवर ओन अपलाइन मिस्टर सुदीप सर. So I would like to call Sudeep sir on screen, और आप kindly shed some light on fitness and diet.
Okay, good morning everyone. Sudeep Devama here. Okay, today we will be talking about I'll be talking about fitness and diet and fitness and diet and detox and rejuvenation. So talking about fitness and diet, see, first we have four products in this category. Now, before I go into the product, first I want you to understand what obesity means. Okay, see, obesity is increase of fat in your body. Okay, and when you are highly obese, when you become fat, that means you are what you are inviting lots of diseases and lots of health problem into your body. Okay, and every problems start with obesity. Okay, with fats in your body, like lots of fats. When you have lots of fats, so staying fit and healthy is also very mandatory for us, because earning money, yes, obviously we'll be earning money, we'll be living luxury life, but we need to stay fit and healthy as well, right? So we used to say one line in network marketing, abhi karoge to khushi khushi karoge, baad mein karoge to majboori mein karna padega, hai na? So today, if you are fit and healthy, very good, you just keep on using this fit and this product. Baad mein agar if you like turn out to be fat and like obese zyada बढ़ गया तो दिक्कत हो जाएगा, मजबूरी में करना पड़ेगा, है ना? So let's start talking about this fitness and diet products. So first, we have, sir, can you please put the next slide? Okay, so first here we have protein powders. Many people goes to gym, and those people who goes to gym every day, they know what is the power of protein powder, why you want to take protein powder. But actually, I will suggest each and everyone listening to me right now, you should consume protein powder each and every day. See, sometime when you work in your daytime, when you after working your whole day, when you reach home at night, sometimes your muscle used to crackle, or you feel like your energies are getting drained, right? You feel like having some meat or some kind of like energy booster type, है ना? So that it all happens because of lack of protein in your body, and it only means that your body is asking for some protein. So you can tag this protein powder in that way. So like every night before you sleep, you can take this with milk, or you can take with water. With water, it won't give much what to say this okay, yeah, going on to the next product. Here we have Baslim shake, right? And for those of you who are a little bit fat and you want to be slim, this is a very comprehensive slimming product for you, comprehensive slimming solution for you. Now it comes in mango flavor. Now you see, I'll give you one example. When all your family members are enjoying maza in this summer season, now like it's going to be over, but still, like when it's like each and every one of your family members is enjoying maza, that har mausam aam, now you are fat and you are afraid that you will be getting more fatter. Now that time what you should do is get a Baslim shake and drink Baslim shake instead of maza. Okay, this will help you give protein and stay slim. Okay, now going on to the next. Okay, again, this is another comprehensive slimming solution. Now for those of you who want to become slim like me, you see, slim and fit. For this, like if you really want to be slim faster, then you can have this. You can take this capsule as well. Now, how to use this capsule is this: you should have this in your empty stomach. You can have 1 capsule or 2 capsule empty stomach. Okay, before food, early in the morning, you can have this. Now it will give you extra. It will give you extra this one. Endurance, and also it will also give you, like, if it will help you burn your extra calories. Okay, extra calories is like the bad fats. Okay, now moving on to the next one. Again, for those of you who want to be slim, you can use this Baslim tea. It contains green tea and green coffee, and also garcinia. Okay, now it comes in a delicious honey and lemon flavor. Now for like when I was like few years back, when I was hospitalized due to my some lungs problem. That time doctor suggested me to have green tea every day early in the morning. But those time this Western tea was not there. But right now I got this into here like Western tea. So for those of you who want to stay healthy, fit, early in the morning, instead of drinking those other tea, you can have this. Okay, even a slim person can have this. Okay, now moving on to the next. Okay, chalo now let's talk about detox and rejuvenation. See, in our daily lives we go through like lots of our body gets lots of toxins every day. It gets our toxin gets into our body through our skin, through through the air when we inhale, and also when eating food, through food as well. So keeping we think that we think in this way that when we go to washroom, when we do number one, number two, all our bodies getting clean, we feel in that way naturally, normally. But I'll tell you, see, when you go for number one, number two, it only cleans the normal toxins. Okay, it won't cleanse your the blood level toxins which your blood contain, and again it won't clean your cell like inside the cell, those toxins were there, you will clean the toxins. Okay, so these products which we have here, it will clean your cell level toxins, it will clean your blood level bad toxins as well. Okay, and yes, talking about the products now, first we have curcumin curcumin plus. Now you have all seen curcumin powder in the market selling at a very nice price. See, if we ask a normal person, why do we use curcumin powder? See, before it was used for many purposes, but right now if you ask many people will tell you curcumin powder is only used for giving color to the curry. Okay, but before it was not used only for color, it was also used for healing some infections inside our stomach. And yes, it helps in many other. See, here we can see it helps in antioxidant, and it gives you anti-inflammatory property as well. Now what does it mean is it helps you, this antioxidant and this anti-inflammatory properties helps you stay younger. Okay, now when you consume antioxidant, it helps you stay younger. So if you want to stay younger, if you want to stay fit, and also these products helps you to prevent your heart disease and arteries as well. Okay, now moving on to the next, we have Ganoderma, queen of herb. We all know what is herb, and Ganoderma is just the queen of herb. And this capsule, this product, it cleans your cell level toxins. Okay, the toxins which are inside the cell, it cleans those part. Okay, and yeah, for consumption you can have 1-2 capsules, or in a day you can have 2 capsules, or yes, 1-2 capsules each, normal. Okay, now talking about detox food pads. See, it works in the principle of food reflexology. Now what does this food reflexology mean? See, all our body part, all the veins and all the veins in our body, it all go and in the lower part of our foot, right? See, the upper part of the foot, those thumb and I don't know what to call this. Yeah, the upper part of the foot, it contains our head veins. Okay, all the veins from our head, it goes and there, and from neck to till the stomach or waist, from neck to waist, all these veins go and end in this middle part of your foot. Here in the screen you can see the product pasted in the middle of the foot itself. Now all the neck and waist veins go and end there, and from waist to foot, all the veins go and end in the below part of the foot. Okay, so what happens when you apply this is see, it will absorb all your toxins from your blood. Okay, it will absorb all the toxins. And how to apply this is, see, before sleeping, right before sleeping, open the packet, and you'll find two packets, separate packet. One is for like that medicine part, and the other one is the sticky part. Okay, now that medicine part, you keep it open so that it can touch your skin, and behind that you paste it on the that bandage type, and paste it lower in this way. Okay, and as soon as you wake up, open it, and you'll find lots of toxins. And yes, it really works well when you'll find how, like when you apply for the first time, you'll see lots of toxins coming out. When you apply for the second time, third time, that time, like after 1-2 weeks or after a few days, you'll see toxins decreasing. Okay, so you can use this product for like 2 times in a month or 1 times in a week. Okay. Okay, now moving on to the next, we have Vestige fiber. See, sometimes we happen to suffer from constipation and like what to say, loose motion, hai na? We used to call it loose motion in our Indian language. Now this fiber, this is just like protein powder. This helps your digestive system so that it can digest well, and also it brings your stool properly. Okay, and it cleans your stomach as well. So yes, this is all about Vestige fiber, and you can suggest someone who is having this kind of problem as well. Now talking about the eye support, now let's talk a little bit about this product, because it's really highly recommended products for us. See how our eyes are made. Okay, first we'll need to understand how is our eyes made for. Now our eyes are made for looking at the looking at the surface, right? And when the source of light hits that surface, we see that particular thing. But our eyes are not made for looking at that particular sources of light, right? See, when you stand under the sun directly, and if you see directly at the sun, you will feel something black color in your eyes, right? So see, what I mean to say is, when we use mobile phone, or when we use laptop in midnight or in a dark surface, that time what happens is you are looking constantly at the sourse of the light, and it affect your eyes a lot. You won't get, like, your eyes won't get affected in a single day itself, but it will, like, day by day you'll come to know. So even if you are not having eye problem, consume this capsule so that later on you don't face eye problem and all this. And also for those of you who are having eye problem, who are putting spectacle, please consume this product. And how to consume is, again, you can have 2 capsules in your starting, and later on you can decrease after 1 to 3 months. Okay, so yeah, by saying all this, I'll hand over to Sarnoy once again. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much, Sudip sir. That was really great, because I personally am a huge fan of detox and rejuvenation. मैं आपको बोल देता हूँ. Sir has not only talked about detox and rejuvenation, he has also touched fitness and diet. तो डाइट के बारे में तो सर ने बोला ही है, and for weight reducing, weight management, he have already explained 3 products, and for gaining as well he has talked about it. And then he has talked about the detox and rejuvenation, जो बहुत important है. I personally use 4 products from the 5 of the detox and rejuvenation. मैं regular user तो नहीं हूँ, but 3 जो products है इसमें से I used it, and 6 महीने का कोर्स मैंने खत्म कर चुका हूँ. So एक क्या बोलते हैं इसको, in our Vestige supplements also, after taking 6 months regularly, आप उसको skip करके दूसरा supplements में jump करके उसको consume करना शुरू कर सकते हैं. Right, but that is a very good information that we got from Vestige Wellness Symposium. कोई सा भी product, any kind of supplement that you are using, if you are using it, it is showing result, and if you don't use it, if it is affecting your health, then it's fine. You use it every day, right? But if you are taking something for prevention, take it for 6 months, skip it, take something for 6 months again, and then you come back to the old supplements again, and you take it for another 6 months. This is just like a simple course job. You can write it down and you can start consuming. Otherwise, there is no rule like that. But if you take it continuously, आप ऐसे ही 6 months gap के बाद भी आप ऐसे ही gap करके दूसरा supplement खा सकते हैं. अगर आप साथ में खाएंगे तो भी no issues, right? So now, thank you so much, Sudeep sir. Now, a very important part that we will talk about, that is women's health. इसको women empowerment के time पे भी हम इसको बोल चुके हैं, लेकिन आज और अच्छी तरीके से we will try to listen from one of the most hardworking dynamic leader, Madam Bubar Jamatia. So please welcome her on stage, and ma'am, the mic is on you. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much, sir, for the time देने के लिए. तो आज मैं बात करने जा रहा हूँ वुमेन हेल्थ के बारे में. So, like, yes, importance of men's health आज के दिनों में इस टाइम इस जमाने में women's health क्यों इतना जरूरी है? Because empowering women with knowledge of health is the key to women empowerment. हम बहुत सारे लोग, मतलब हम आज भी बहुत women empowerment के बारे में बात करते हैं, लेकिन women's health बहुत ही टच करना बहुत
बुबार मैम का नेटवर्क में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम के कारण शी गॉट आउट. शी विल बी इन, तो थोड़ा इंतजार करेंगे, थोड़ा पेशेंस के साथ. ओके, यस मैम.
हेल्थ के बारे में, हेल्थ वुमेन्स को हेल्थ के बारे में नॉलेज देना ही वुमेन एम्पावरिंग करने का पहला की है. देखो, हम सब के घर में वुमेन्स एक या फिर दो, एक तो वुमेन्स होता ही होता है. अगर वुमेन्स का हेल्थ ही अच्छा नहीं रहेगा तो कौन, मतलब फैमिली संभलेगा, है ना? तो मतलब अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट की हेल्थ इशू अफेक्टिंग वुमेन एंड इट्स प्रिवेंशन आर इम्पोर्टेंट टू स्टे हेल्दी. मतलब वुमेन्स हेल्थ की इश्यूज के बारे में मतलब पहले से ही जानना बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. सो बहुत वुमेन्स को बहुत ज़्यादा, मतलब पुरुष लोगों के, अगर जेंट्स लोगों से ज़्यादा वुमेन्स को देखे तो बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब डिफरेंस है हम लोगों की लाइफस्टाइल. तो बहुत सारा होते हैं बीमारी, जैसे कि एनीमिया, खून की कमी होती है, थायराइड, हेल्थ मतलब हृदय रिलेटेड बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम होते हैं. तो उस प्रॉब्लम से बचने के लिए बेसिस ने 4 प्रोडक्ट हम लोगों के लिए बनाया है. तो पहला प्रोडक्ट में आता है सताबरिमेक्स. यस, Satabrimex has been used in Ayurvedic for thousands of years as a female reproductive tonic. Yes, बहुत सालों से ही Satabrimex को मतलब वुमेन्स हेल्थ के लिए यूज करके आ रहे हैं बहुत सारे लोग, और उसको क्वीन ऑफ हार्ट्स भी जाना जाते हैं. मतलब जड़ी बूटी की रानी की तरह भी सताबरिमेक्स को जाना जाते हैं उसको. तो उसका बेनिफिट क्या है? मतलब हम वुमेन्स लोगों को देखो, बहुत सारा जब हम पीरियड टाइम आते हैं तो बहुत सारे लोगों की मेंस्ट्रुअल क्रैम्प होते हैं. मतलब उसकी पेट में बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द होते हैं. उसके बाद इरेगुलर ब्लीडिंग, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लीडिंग हो गया, फिर बहुत ज़्यादा गेपिंग हो गया, ऐसा भी होता है. तो उस वक्त आप सताबरिमेक्स दे सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल तो नहीं, मतलब मेरे एक दोस्त था, उसको 1 मंथ उसका गैप हुआ था पीरियड्स में. तो जब मैंने सुमन छत्री मैम का ट्रेनिंग अटेंड किया तो उसने बताया था कि सताबरिमेक्स के साथ हमको नोनी, गेनुडार्मा, फ्लैक्सोल ये सब हम लेंगे तो पीरियड, मतलब ये सब जो प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं पीरियड्स के टाइम वो ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. तो मैंने उसको रिकमेंड किया. तो एक महीने उसका गैप हुआ था, तो उसको लेने के बाद मतलब और ज़्यादा मतलब वो हेल्दी रहने लगा, और उसको रेगुलरली उसका ब्लीडिंग आना अच्छे से होना स्टार्ट हो गया. तो या आप लोग ये ले सकते हो. उसका डोसेज से 1 कैप्सूल थ्राइस ए डे, आपको 3 बार लेना है 1 कैप्सूल करके. एज लिमिट है 12 साल से ऊपर. उन लोगों को अवॉइड करना है जिनकी मतलब प्रोलैक्टिक लेवल्स मात्रा बहुत ज़्यादा जिन लोगों के हैं उनको अवॉइड करना है. सर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. उसके बाद आते हैं फोलिक एंड आयरन एंड फोलिक. आयरन एंड फोलिक को 4 कॉम्बिनेशन में बनाया गया है। उसमें आयरन, उसके बाद फोलिक एसिड, विटामिन सी, विटामिन 12, B12, उसके बाद जिंक। आप आयरन क्या करते हैं? फोलिक एंड आयरन नीडेड फ्रॉम हेल्दी सेल्स। हमको हेल्दी सेल्स बनाने में फोलिक एसिड बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है। वो रेड ब्लड सेल्स बनाएगा, वो रेड ब्लड सेल्स बहुत ज्यादा बनाएगा। उसके बाद जिन लोगों को खून की कमी है, हीमोग्लोबिन की कमी है, उन लोगों को आप फोलिक एंड आयरन दे सकते हैं। लेकिन अगर आप मतलब बहुत सारे लोग कैल्शियम भी लेते हैं ना, जिन लोगों ने अभी कैल्शियम के साथ आयरन एंड फोलिक ले रहे हैं, उनको कैल्शियम के साथ अगर आप आयरन एंड फोलिक ले रहे हैं तो आपको 3 घंटे की गैप देना है। मतलब 3 आवर्स गैप करके आपको लेना है डोसेज से 1 और 2 कैप्सूल। और ये वुमेन हेल्थ में बहुत ज्यादा आयरन बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है। बिकॉज मेरा सिस्टर है, घर में एक सिस्टर है, वो उसके मतलब दांत में प्रॉब्लम था। वो गया था डॉक्टर में, तो वो यूनिफॉर्म में गया था, वेस्टिस की यूनिफॉर्म में। तो डॉक्टर ने क्या किया, उसको पहले पूछा कि क्या आप लॉयर करते हो? तो मेरी सिस्टर ने बताया कि नहीं, मैं वेस्टिजियन हूँ। तो उन्होंने बाहर से आयरन एंड फोलिक ना देकर उन्होंने वेस्टिस का ही रिकमेंड किया। मतलब वेस्टिस का जो कैल्शियम और आयरन एंड फोलिक है ना, उसको ही खाने के लिए बोला। मतलब बाहर का खाने के लिए बोला, यहाँ ही के लिए बोला एक डॉक्टर ने। उसके बाद अगर आप आयरन और भी ज्यादा मतलब इफेक्टिवली अगर आप यूज करना चाहते हैं तो आयरन के साथ आप आंवला लेंगे तो बहुत ज्यादा आयरन आपकी में ऑब्जर्व करना और भी आसान हो जाएगा। सर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। उसके बाद आते हैं क्रैनबेरी। हेलो सर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। क्रैनबेरी में क्रैनबेरी एक्सट्रैक्ट एंड डी मेनोज 2 तरीके से बनाया गया है। क्रैनबेरी हेल्प्स इन मेंटेन ब्लैडर कॉम्प्लिकेशन, उसको बनाने में मदद करेगा, मेंटेन करने में मदद करेगा। उसके बाद जो यूरिन मतलब जो प्रॉब्लम होते हैं ना, जो जब यूरिन करने जाते हैं तो बहुत सारे लोगों की मतलब जलन होते हैं। अब क्यों जलन होते हैं? बिकॉज हम लोगों की जो यूरिन ट्रैक में ना बहुत ज्यादा बैक्टीरिया जम जाते हैं और बैक्टीरिया वो कॉलोनी बनाना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं वहां पर। लेकिन आप क्रैनबेरी लेना स्टार्ट करेंगे तो वो क्या करेंगे, वो उन बैक्टीरिया को हटाने में मदद करेगा। तो बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि क्रैनबेरी लेने से हो जाएगा, लेकिन देर मतलब 1 महीना लिया, 2 महीना लिया तो उनका जो इन्फेक्शन था, जो जलन होता था, वो थोड़ा कम हो गया है। तो ये बंद कर दो। तो सर नुवाई ने भी बोला कि हमको 6 मंथ और 3 मंथ कंटिन्यू करना है। तो क्रैनबेरी को भी अगर हम चाहते हैं कि फ्यूचर में हमको जलन फिर से ना हो, मतलब पूरी तरह से अगर हम ठीक होना चाहते हो, तो 3 मंथ आपको ठीक हो भी जाए तो आपको 3 मंथ रेगुलरली कंटिन्यू करना है क्रैनबेरी को। उसके बाद ये स्किन और हम लोगों के स्किन और हेयर के लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल है। तो डोसेज से 1 कैप्सूल 1 और ट्वाइस ए डे वीक मील आपको खाने के साथ लेना है इसको, क्रैनबेरी का 1 कैप्सूल या फिर 2 कैप्सूल। उसके बाद आता है हेयर स्किन एंड नेल। यस, हेयर एंड नेल। ये क्या करेगा, अगर आपकी बाल मतलब अच्छी तरह से उगना बंद हो गया, उसके बाद क्वालिटी थोड़ा सा खराब हो गया, ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह से नहीं उग रहा, बाल सफ़ेद हो गया, मतलब कम आपका एज कम है लेकिन बाल सफ़ेद हो गया, तो उस वक्त आप ले सकते हो ये हेयर स्किन एंड नेल। उसके बाद स्किन अच्छे से नहीं दिख रहा तो ये सब ले सकते हो। उसके बाद नेल ज़्यादा से मतलब सुंदर नहीं हो रहा, स्किन सुंदर नहीं हो रहा, हेयर सुंदर नहीं हो रहा, तो हेयर लॉस का प्रॉब्लम, ये सब मतलब आपको बचाएगा हेयर स्किन एंड नेल। तो इसको आपको 2 कैप्सूल ए डे लेना है, मतलब दिन में 2 बार लेना है आफ्टर मील, दिन में 2 बार लेना है आफ्टर मील। सर थैंक यू सो मच सर, मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी देने के लिए।
थैंक यू सो मच बुबार मैम। बहुत अच्छी मतलब नॉलेज मिली है आज, कुछ नया नॉलेज भी मिल गया था. टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस आयरन फॉलिक, आज आयरन फॉलिक का जो नॉलेज मिला मुझे, जो आंवला के साथ देना वाला जो है, जो इफेक्टिव है, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू टेक सम स्पेसिफिक ट्रेनिंग. जैसे किसी दिन कोई वुमेन्स हेल्थ का हो गया, किसी दिन का कोई मान लीजिए आयरन फॉलिक ट्रेनिंग इज गोइंग ऑन, देन वी शुड टेक इट, बिकॉज हमें पता लग जाता है एक सप्लीमेंट को कैसे दूसरा सप्लीमेंट के साथ फ्यूज करके उसको इफेक्टिव बनाया जा सकता है, लाइक अ कैटलिस्ट. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज जो हमारे वेस्टीज के, जो हमारे इसी यूनिवर्स में जो जैसे भी सारे प्रोडक्ट हैं, दिस आर ऑल coexisting to each other. So thank you so much Bhuvar ma'am for letting us know about this. Abhi we'll go to the next, that is Ayush Shante. Ayush Shante will be spoken by me itself. So let's talk about Ayush Shante right now. So let's guys talk about Ayurvedic first. Ayurvedic hota kya? This Ayurveda is a science of life. जैसे आयु संस्कृत में क्या है? आयु basically means life, जीवन, हमारा आयु, right? And Veda means knowledge or science. So the knowledge or science of life is basically Ayurveda. Now it has been practiced for 5,000 years. 5,000 years तो जिस ये historians का कहना है, it may be way beyond before that. ये बहुत साल पहले की बात है. Ayurveda has been practiced in ancient our own country, ancient India for quite a very long time. So it provides a holistic approach to health, designed to help people live long, healthy and well balanced lives. If we talk about the old people, जो हमारे दादा दादी के बारे में बात करेंगे, if we talk about our great grandfather, grandmother, let's talk about those people. Now उन लोगों के time there used to be no healthcare, no medicine, no doctors, मतलब zero healthcare. Now how they used to cope up with any kind of wound or any kind of disease or any kind of any sort of health issues? Now they truly focused on the nature, because they believed कि दुनिया में जो भी है ना, any answer to any question is provided by the universe itself. तो हमारा जो nature है, it already provides so many solutions. If we just know how to utilize this thing, then it will be totally easy for us to live a very good life, a well balanced and holistic approach to our lives. So that is what this Ayurvedic have come up. That is what this science have come up, this science of this Ayurveda, right? So the basic principle of Ayurveda is to prevent and treat illness by maintaining balance in the body, mind and consciousness through proper drinking, diet and lifestyle, as well as herbal remedies. So first I won't take much time in explaining this thing. Let's talk about Gluco Health. Gluco Health will be given to those people who have a problem in blood sugar levels. So यहाँ Vijay Shar, cinnamon, turmeric and guduchi, there are 4 main ingredients, natural ingredients found here. It's good for pancreas, insulin, right? जो insulin, it helps to optimize insulin secretion, glucose absorption सही करता है, and oxidative damages को सही करता है. Oxidative damage सबको पता है, like Dunga sir has also talked about coenzyme Q10. Let me talk about what is oxidative stress first. थोड़ा मैं idea दे देता हूँ. आप सबने apple खाया. Everybody have consumed apple, right? Everybody have consumed apple. Now if we eat apple, if we just eat half of it, अगर आधा भी खा के if you are keeping it on the side, 5 मिनट के बाद या 10 मिनट के बाद you will see certain changes in the apple, right? You will see certain changes. That apple will turn dark. In the side of the apple you will see black colors are starting to accumulate. Now what is that? Those are free radicals. ये शरीर में पैदा होते हैं. Any living thing, that is any this kind of living organisms that has oxygen consumption, जहाँ oxidation हो रहा है, it forms free radicals. So it is very important for us to take these kind of antioxidants. Now there are so many antioxidants. Like Nani sir ने बोला aloe vera. Now that is also an antioxidant. Amla is an antioxidant. हमारे यहाँ krill oil is an antioxidant. डूंगा सर ने बोला जैसे coenzyme is also an antioxidant जो free radical damage को सही करता है. So this is one of the greatest thing. And Procard it also it is related to heart. So जिसका दिल अपने हृदय के रोग को prevent करना चाहता है, this is the best product for heart. Tox Clean is basically for cleaning your colon. Now colon is very sensitive. Colon की वजह से हमारा पहला होता है क्या? Piles. Everybody have heard about piles also, right? Piles किस लिए होता है? It's because of colon infection. Colon infection को सही करने के लिए it's very important for Tox Clean. So now you have your answer. If somebody is facing piles or has a history of piles, please suggest them Toxclean. आंखें बंद करके Toxclean दे दो, right? And I know you guys have heard of colon cancer also, right? Colon cancer से recently Chadwick Boseman. Do you know Chadwick Boseman? Wakanda Forever. The guy from Black Panther, right? Rest in peace to that guy. Kudos, but he passed away due to colon cancer. And it is a huge lesson from his side that we have to protect our colon as well. So yeah, Toxclean है ना, it is very important for reducing colon infection. Vital complex is हमारे शरीर में जो vital चीजें चाहिए उसका सारा कुछ मिला के एक आयुर्वेद का जो सेक्शन है सारा कुछ मिला के the entire thing compiled up is found here in vital complex. It is used to help to nourish body tissues, cell regeneration process. जब आपके कोई if you have any, if you got hurt or if your skin got any kind of wound, if you take vital complex from beginning, the healing process is very fast, right? It is basically for cell regeneration process, fast cell regeneration process, healing process जल्दी करता है, better immunity, tackles fatigue. जो लोग the people who really gets tired very fast, it is for those people, right? And also in prevention of lifestyle diseases, any kind of lifestyle diseases. Like I also have, I believe that I have that lifestyle disease. It's because I feel lazy, because all the time I'm in bed with my cell phone, with my laptop. So because of that, there is no functioning of my body. So there is some kind of lifestyle diseases that happen. So to avoid those things, it is very important for us to keep our body balanced with this kind of natural तत्व जो बोलते हैं संस्कृत में. So vital complex लेना चाहिए, compulsory नहीं है, लेकिन necessity है. Try to understand that. Kidney health, obviously the name suggests, जिसका कोई stone हो kidney में, आयुर्वेदिक से जो सही करना चाहता है, kidney health is the best answer. Same goes for next, liver health. Now liver health, there are fatty liver होता है, fibrosis होता है, फिर liver cirrhosis होता है, फिर लोगों का death. The next step is death. We have only one liver. It is one of the largest organ in the body. Now let me tell you, it's very important to protect that as well, right? So liver health लेना बहुत जरूरी है, because liver सिर्फ और सिर्फ उन्हीं लोगों की खराब नहीं होते जो शराब पीते हैं या फिर any kind of ऐसे alcohol consumption करते हैं, but it is also important for those people. मैंने ऐसा सुना कि liver उनके भी खराब होते हैं. I have also heard that liver damages happen to also those people who have never consumed alcohol in their life. It is through your healthy food, through your consumption of food as well. So it is very much suggested to all the people, not only just the liver diseased person. Lastly, Respo care. Respo care बहुत जरूरी है. Now why it is जरूरी? Let me tell you. यहाँ कुछ look at the pictures here. Look at the pictures in the screen. There are 5 things given. Swertia chirata, Picoria curo, Piper longum, Vitis vinifera, Silibum mariana, milk crystal. So these are the 5 very important ingredients. इसमें से मुझे पता है one thing that is very important. In my language, we call it Duksha Shongdari. In my language, in Kokoro, we call it Duksha Shongdari, which is really important for respiratory problem. Now, गांव में जहाँ COVID-19 का symptoms दिखाई दे रहा है, in my village, I have heard that this Duksha Shongdari, it has been sold out. People are completely using this for their respiratory problem and are showing a healing process. And we also have that particular plant in this Respo care, right? So sorry that मैंने पीछे वो वाला लगा दिया था. Sorry. This is the slide. So you can actually see here this particular part that you are seeing on the first. It is that. So Dashmul Quad, Ocinum Sanctum, Piper Longum, Gingiber, Officinacle, and Piper Nigrum. So these tattvas are very important for improving your respiratory organs. Now इसमें क्या होता है? Let me tell you. When I was in Delhi, when I was studying in Delhi, Delhi is one of the most polluted city in India. We all know that. Now that the new government has come up with a really good process of cleaning the city, it has really shown good results. But when I was studying there, what happened is I faced some kind of pharyngitis, one problem of the pharynx, and also I faced bronchitis as well. These two are very huge respiratory problem. It was really hard to breathe. I also had to take nebulization. जो जिसने कर रखा है उसको पता है what is nebulization. आपको नाक में ऐसे बंद करते हैं, just like you see in the movies, no? हॉस्पिटल में जो करते हैं nebulization ऐसे करते हैं, कुछ chemicals डालते हैं, then I have to breathe in. वो लेने के बाद मैं आराम से ब्रीथ कर सकता हूँ. मेरे लंग्स में इतना प्रॉब्लम हो गया था. Right, and after coming back home also I faced the exact same thing. But let me tell you, after taking RespoCare, my lungs got open again, and I am really grateful to this product. And I am not exaggerating right here. जिन लोगों ने use किया इनको उसको पता है ये कितना beneficial है. So if somebody is facing respiratory problem, if somebody is facing lungs issues, or if somebody is smoking all the time, I know smoking can be a very bad addiction, which can be a very difficult to go from you. So that is why I won't just simply tell you to just quit smoking. It is your personal choice, but I would suggest, why don't you also take RespoCare along with you? It may neutralize your intake of nicotine, isn't it? So that's all I would like to say from Ayush Shante. Moving on to Sharp Water Purifier. Now we know what is Sharp Water Purifier. It purifies water. Now why is it important? Now let me tell you in layman language. It has 4 filters. If you look at any filters in the world, it has only 3 filters. We have 4. Now these 4 filters, what is this beneficial for, right? इसके बारे में जानने के लिए you can simply go to आज का premiere today in our Vestige official channel. The one who is representing Sharp in India has actually come up on camera and talked about this Sharp water purifier and water features and everything, right? So इसको देखो this premiere, and it has also shown how the test run by the company, the Sharp, that we are collaborating with Vestige, how the test runs are shown, the UV rays का जो test runs हैं, सारे के सारे documents, it is already there in Sharp website. तो वो वीडियो को देख लो, आपको सब पता लग जाएगा, सारे के सारे technical terms. And also the same goes for the benefits of Sharp water purifying pitcher. It is very easy to carry, and it is it cannot purify the dirty waters of Yamuna river, but it can really purify the tap water that comes from your groundwater or any kind of like stream water, river water, any kind of उस kind के water को ये directly purify कर सकता है. You don't need any kind of electricity or any kind of battery. It's totally in the filter, carbon filters it's used here. It can be used for 1 year and more. Then you can change the filter after using it for that time, right? And air purifier as well. Now let's talk about air purifier a bit. सबको पता है कि air purifier कितना जरूरी है. क्यों? Now like I have already mentioned, in cities like Delhi, it is becoming more essential for us to have air purifiers. Now जो लोग AC के रूम में रहते हैं, now people who live in places where no ventilation happens, like खिड़की बंद है, windows are closed, doors are closed, there is no way of ventilation. The only way to air conditioning. Now it's very difficult to stay in air conditioning for a very long time. It also disturbs our health also. Now what happens is ये skin hydration को improve करता है, static electricity को remove करता है, and it also provides fresh air, fresh forest air to the entire room. And मैं आप लोगों को एक सच बात बताना चाहता, air purifier in our office in अगरतला branch training room में, and सच बात बताऊं, बाकी एसी के रूम पे आप जाके देखो और इस पर्टिकुलर जो एसी रूम और एयर प्यूरिफायर वाला रूम में आप जाके देखो, कोई सफोकेशन फील नहीं होगा. बिल्कुल यू विल फील टोटल फ्रीडम वाइब ऑफ ब्रीदिंग. यू विल फील कि आप एक जंगल में आ गए. यू आर इन अ प्लेस फिल्ड विद नेचर एंड एवरीथिंग. सो दैट इज द लेवल ऑफ ऑथेंटिसिटी ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट, राइट? सो या over 5 crore satisfied users in India worldwide. And now moving on to health food. Now health food के बारे में बात करने के लिए I will call none other than one of the most energetic, dynamic leader और मेरा upline भी, Mr. Joel Devarma on stage. So Joel sir, the stage is yours, the mic is yours. Please take away and inspire us on health food.
Good morning, champions. Thank you so much for staying till up to this midnight. We have to go more, right? So, welcome to Health Food in Vestige. Now, the first session that we have been talking about our food supplement, right? But now this is the essential product. You need it at any cost, right? So, let's go to the slide and proceed. Sir gave me only 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. Okay, this is rice bran oil. Now you can see what is rice bran oil. Rice bran oil, this is not mustard oil that we get in the open market. Okay, this is actually made from a rice. You know, how many of you seen? How many of you have seen rice, which is not, you know, that with the skin? So this is actually, you know, taken out from that the rice cover, that hard cover, and it is like compressed and it is made, and from there this oil is, you know, taken out, you know, refined now. This is compared to market price, this is very much you know, cheap to say. And now it is actually recommended by WHO and all these things you can see. So the best thing about this is like you can get many you know, many benefits here. Okay, so benefits like I'll mention some that I have just written down. Like contain good fat, heart friendly. Now the most thing that people suffer is like heart attack, right? So to stay away from heart attack, we can, you know, consume this then better than, you know, rather than that market oil. Okay, and has a high less oily, rich in vitamin E, and also aid in weight loss. Okay, so now this is very healthy for all of us, and like according to the market price, this we can find like one liter will just cost you 148 rupees. So in market you will have to pay more than 200 rupees. So in Vestige we can get only in 148 rupees. Okay, so we have in 2 liter, which is 296 rupees. Let's go to next. And olive oil, you know, olive oil, now they say that olive oil is like, you know, the rich people use this product. Okay, so good to you know, you can clearly see that olive oil is one of the most well regarded oil in the world. Okay, so now white olive oil is this far more better than any oil that we can have, you know. So all those things you can get in Vestige also right now. So this is my you know, good, you know, antioxidant, your good fats that we actually need. Now when we consume the market oil, the mustard oil, that have got, you know, more like, you know, the fat that they have is not as good as olive. Now if you see where olive oil is used, it's like it will be used in like 5-star hotels and everything. But now you can you know, prepare some of your good meals in your home with our own product. And according to this is also another product that is much more cheaper than the market price. You can go search in the net and you can, you know, see within yourself. Okay, let's go to next. Now Vestige, you know, Jata tea special. Now what will I say about this? So I will just share one small you know, testimony about this tea. You know, before joining Vestige, we always have this normal tea at home. Okay, so one day I have a grandmother in my neighbor. She came to our house. Okay, and by that time I was already in Vestige. My mom prepared this, you know, tea for her, and you know, she literally drink 2 to 3 cup of tea. She literally asked like, give me some more. This look like, you know, different. Okay, so this is actually made from like, you know, the best tea from known from our Assam tea, and also, you know, rich in antioxidant, and also it helps to protect, you know, to recover like, you know, cell damage and also tissue damage. Okay, so now these all are available in Vestige. You can have a try for yourself, which is very essential for our, you know, evening snack and afternoon tea. Okay, so try this product and, you know, get the benefit. So let's go to next. So now most of us are, you know, we feel like, you know, to give milk and everything and boil, or we had this thing, right? So this is like a tea bag. Now this is very simple. Just boil water, put some stevia, or if you are having sugar patient, then just dip inside, have a sip. It will give you, you know, instant boost to work hard and, you know, to be more energized. Let's go to next. Now this is coffee, Jata coffee premium. Okay, this is so good, like, you know, like pure coffee, the thickness. If we drink coffee, the people who drink coffee will understand that. Just use, taste yourself. Put the, in one cup we put the local tea that we get, local coffee that we get, and the coffee that we get in Vestige. This will be like, very much light, and like, you will able to, taste the originality. Okay, and the coffee that we actually find in the market, which will, give some like, rough and, little more thick. So which is like, you will not feel like it's an original coffee. So this, and then you'll get perfect aroma of a coffee in Jetta, and that is also weight point and everything. Okay, so let's go to next. So now this is, Ganoderma coffee, Gano coffee, which is, we have got Ganoderma, called, one kind of mushroom. Okay, so this is just, blended with this Jetta coffee. Okay, so now if you are taking those Ganoderma, now it is already inside this coffee, so it became like 2 in 1. Okay, so you can taste this also. So this will give you the perfect combination of Ganoderma and our Jetta coffee, and it will have you in like detoxifying your chemicals from your body as well. Let's go to next. Now this is very good. You can give this to even to our kids. Like this is the substitute of, we take like Complain, Horlicks and everything, right? So that is Indigo protein, nutritional protein powder is just like that. In place of Horlicks, in place of your Complain that they gave you, so this is the perfect for the child. So there are many testimony regarding this product. So we can give this to our kids who are above 4 years of age, and give it with milk, and that will be the perfect combination. Let's go next. So now this is freshen up drink. Now instead of drinking Coke and all those Sprite or those Thumbs Up, you just take this, put give it in your bag or somewhere else. Okay, before going to when you get tired after doing some prospect meetings, doing some trouble, have this. Just put shake in a water bottle and just drink. And this is orange flavor, and it will refresh you instantly because it has got vitamin C and zinc. Now this is also a energy booster, energy choco flexi bar. Now most of us, what we feel is like we feel very tired sometimes when we don't have our food properly. Now when you get hungry, we need instant energy, right? So now we cannot just go and have instead of having your puri torkari or your some samosas and everything anything like that, we better have this, because this has got high nutrition which will give you instant energy. It doesn't need to go to your stomach and just digest it. Just you have it, you'll feel completely energized. So I usually carry this in my bag and have whenever I feel tired. Can we go to next? Now this is one of my favorite morning diet. Now most of us, we the people who diet, they take that oat, right? Oat, and they have the as in the morning breakfast. Now replace that product with this product that is called our Enerba high nutritional breakfast cereal. Now this, if you have with milk, it will be a perfect combination, because this has got all kind of the dry fruits inside it, because we know that in morning if we need to have dry fruits, right? So dry fruits are like cashew nuts and like black grapes and all those things are there inside it. So this will give a perfect combination for a perfect diet as well. So this is actually very good for our morning diet, because it has got vitamin C, vitamin B6 and vitamin B12, and also iron that is essential for our blood, right? So can we go next? This is the same. Okay, now we have got our oral care. Now oral care, what? This just replace in place of Colgate. In Colgate, what? You don't get PB, you don't get travel fund, you don't get this one, right? So these are the products that we have in substitute. Now these are the products that is going to fulfill our dream. So use it, have it. What will I say? Everything is written down there. It has got in local store, what you will get is the toothpaste will give only the form, right? But we have, it will give you travel fund, it will give you car fund, it will give you house fund, it will give you LUB, right? So we have got the same ingredient and better ingredient than the local store product, right? We have got calcium that strengthen our teeth, neem, pro, fight germs and everything, right? It will also help you like prevent your teeth gum. It will also prevent you from that. And now this is our toothpaste, another toothpaste with Ganoderma flavor, right? So we use this also. So up to that, this is my part, and thank you guys so much for listening to me. I only got 5 minutes, that's why I have to stop fast, right? So thank you. Back to Sarnoy. Please carry on.
Thank you so much, Ujjwal sir, and we will not take much time, but we will move further. And so now we're talking about personal care, the very much needed, the very much needed range, but the most neglected at some time. So let's not neglect it tonight. We will learn it and we will use it properly in a very judicious manner. So let's talk about personal care, and I would call none other than our upline, Mr. Abel Debarma sir. So sir, please. The time is yours.
Yes, thank you so much. And all the speakers before me, congratulations to all of you. You have, to all the speakers ahead of me and who is coming after me, I like to thank for your time and energy that you have shared with us. So before I talk about personal, let's talk a little bit about success, and then we will move on to personal care. So sir, if you may allow 5 minutes extra to me, then it will be really nice of you. So first of all, congratulations जो भी है आज, to all of them who are now at this event, CNT event. For those of you who are until now, you guys will definitely be super successful in network marketing. So first of all, congratulations to your energy and to your time. Let me give this room a great energy. इस business में बोला जाता है high return. Come on once again, high energy, high return. जितना energy होगा, उतना return होगा. This is the hour of the day. Yeah, this will be the best hour of the day. I know this is the last, but this is the best hour of the day, right? Yes, this is the best hour of the day. Let's make it the best. Okay, so yes, everyone, congratulations, आप successful हो यार. Somebody thinks about buying a Rolls Royce. Somebody thinks about buying a Lamborghini. Somebody thinks about buying an Mercedes Audi. But you know what their patience is? Their patience cannot be even till think about it. आप 2 घंटे ट्रेनिंग अटेंड नहीं कर सकते हो. You cannot attend 10 minutes 2 hours training. How do you expect yourself to buy a Lamborghini, to buy your own luxury cars, to have a check of 1 lakh rupees? How do you expect? कैसे expect your downlines, right? Let's not blame our downline. Let's not blame our team. जो have leave this session, they have leave on their own. Right? Not because their upline is not there, not because their downline is not there. So if you are right until here, congratulations, my friend. It is not who start, it is who will be there at the finishing line. I tell you, it's not who start. जो पहले start किया वो नहीं. Who remains till the end, who remains till the end of the finishing line. That is the person who is going to win. देखो मैं एक चीज I want you to listen to this one great advice, and then we will start with the session. Okay, the personal care that is given to me. Let me tell you something. Okay, let me tell you something. Network marketing, if you want to be super successful, then you have to give 3 years of your time. I'm telling you, if you want to be super successful in network marketing, you have 3 hours of your time. Come on, once again. 3 hours of your time in network marketing. Sorry, 3 years of your time. 3 years if you want to be super successful. अगर आपको क्विट करना है तो अभी से क्विट कर दो. अगर आपको 6 महीने जाके क्विट करना है तो अभी क्विट कर दो. If you can end of the meeting तो पहले से ही ज्वाइनिंग मत करो. Don't join from there onwards. So I'm asking to all of you to be super successful in network marketing. Do you want to be legendary successful in super network marketing? You have to give time of 3 years. अगर आपको 1 साल में जाके 3 महीने में जाके क्विट करना है तो अभी से क्विट कर दो, बिकॉज हेलो एवरीथिंग विल टेक प्रोसेस को जो है वो टाइम लगता है, राइट? सो वंस अगेन कांग्रेचुलेशन जो भी है आज अभी, कांग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू. लेट्स कंटिन्यू. So today we're going to talk about skincare. Skincare का बात है ना? Let me talk a little bit about skincare. Skin is the largest, is the heaviest organ in our body. है ना? Skin is the largest and the heaviest in our body, yet it is least understood. It is least taken care. हम लोग कब केयर करते हैं? When it get destroyed. जब ये पूरी तरीके से, तब जाके हम स्किन को जाके केयर करते हैं, राइट? लेट मी टेल यू स्किन का रोल क्या है. व्हाट इज ओके, सारा जो है वेस्टीज स्किन केयर में प्रोडक्ट को समझने के लिए इजी है. इट इज वेरी मच इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड वेस्टीज का जितना भी का प्रोडक्ट को समझने के लिए बहुत इजी है. बट मैं आपको स्किन का रोल बता देता हूँ, हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर यूजिंग आवर ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके, उसको बोलते हुए we will continue. Skin is the most largest organs. Do you know that? Heaviest organ. But it is least taken care. See, if I am in a room right now, room में होता, if I ask this question to all of us, who wants to look good? Everybody will raise the. अच्छा, आप जहाँ पे भी हो, wherever you are right now, I'm seeing you all. Your camera is on. Who wants to look good? Okay, just raise up your hand. Who wants to look good? Everybody wants to look good. Wow, really? You guys want to look good? Then everybody wants to look good, my dear friends. But when do we take care of our skin? खाते हो आप? You eat, right? खाना खाते हो? Why? आपका बॉडी के लिए. लेकिन आपका जो स्किन का खाना क्या आप देते हो? See, taking care of a skin, buying a skin product, we always think that it's a luxury, my dear friend. Skin का रोल क्या है और बता देता हूँ. Skin can feel love, can protect you from diseases, from viruses. Okay, and you can also injure with your skin. So skin plays a very vital role, right? And इसका मैं आप लोगों को स्किन और देखो, एक स्किन को देखते हुए ना, whenever you look at the skin, if that person is happy or not, by just looking at the skin, you can tell क्या वो healthy है, क्या इनके पास कुछ disease है. Just by looking at the skin, you can tell this. So skin is a vital role. But if we take a least care, जब pimples आ जाएगा तब आके wow pimples आ गया, जब circle आ जाएगा तब जाके wow मुझे स्किन केयर की जरूरत है अभी. No, it is too late. Need to take care from before. मैं आपको बहुत सिंपल तरीके से समझा दूंगा तो कैसे टेक केयर करना है with the help of our products. So if you are with your pen and paper, मैं आप लोगों को अच्छा सा टिप्स देता हूँ स्किन को कैसे टेक केयर करना है. Okay, I will give this. Come on, once again, 3 rules. Okay, always have 3 different colorful of foods. Come on, once again, 3 different colors or types of foods. Okay, you can take dry food, a vegetable, and at the same time you can fruits. So 3 different types का खाना हो गया. The more colorful your food is, the different your food is, the more good skin you're going to have. This is the secret. 3 secrets. 3 liters water a day. कितना? 3 liters water a day. Come on, once again, 3 liters water a day. And then जब हर कोई 3 आते हैं, when you have a 3 weeks, जब आप इसको 3 weeks ले maintain करना, you will form a habit. When you have this, 3 months, you will form a lifestyle of skin routine. Okay, so but one sad thing that we need to understand is, for stopping, we are always easy. Time is never stopping. We are always easy. But you see this one side, a great personality out there. जितना भी उम्र है उतना लगता नहीं है. Why? Because screen, right? So when we come to hair care, यहाँ पे we have moisturize मॉइस्चर कंडीशंस, एश्योर हेयर स्पा, हेयर ऑयल, ज्यादा कुछ समझाने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ इट. क्लेरिफाइंग फेस वॉश, एंटी एजिंग नाइट क्रीम, इंस्टेंट ग्लो फेस पैक. यहाँ पे भी मेरा पड़ा है, राइट. ये मेरा खत्म होने दिखाऊंगा कौन कौन सा प्रोडक्ट मैं यूज करता हूँ. क्या सारा बिल सिर्फ बात कर रहे हैं या फिर वो खुद यूज करते हैं. यूज करता हूँ तभी मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, है ना. अगर मैं यूज नहीं करता तो मैं ज्यादा प्रमोट नहीं. आई डोंट प्रमोट इन द प्रोडक्ट्स व्हिच आई डोंट बिलीव. मैं सच कह रहा हूँ. आई डोंट प्रमोट द प्रोडक्ट. और एक सर कैन यू टेक मी टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. Yes, यहाँ पे. Thank you, Noy sir, for helping me out. Who wants to glow? कौन glow होना चाहता है? Who wants to glow their skin? है ना? हो या fair हो,